Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and today I'm going to show you how to add friends on Venmo. And the first method is to search for friends. You can just open the Venmo app on your mobile device, and then you want to tap the search icon at the top right corner of the screen, and then just type in your friend's name or their username or phone number to search for them, and then just choose the friend's profile from the search results, and then tap the add friend button to send a friend request. The second method is by scanning a friend's QR code. So how you want to do that is to first open the Venmo app on your mobile device, and then you want to tap the scan icon, the camera icon at the top right corner of the screen, and then just scan the friend's Venmo QR code using your device camera, and then just tap the add friend button to send a friend request. Now the third method is to import contacts. How you want to do that is to first open the Venmo app on your mobile device, and then just tap the menu icon at the top left corner of the screen, and now tap settings to access the app settings, and then tap friends to access the friend management setting, and now tap import contacts to import contacts from your device address book, and now just choose the contact that you want to add as friends on Venmo. So yeah, that's pretty much it on how to add friends on Venmo. I hope you guys liked the video. If you found it useful enough, if you did, like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought, share the video with your friends, and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already, and I will see you guys in the next one. Peace.